carrots up already. I just show it to chop that. So we're gonna use 2 generous teaspoons. Something YouTube algorithm make me a millionaire. Ah. And we could have used chicken stock, but let's again be realistic. If we're microwave cooking, we don't have that. And we're gonna throw all the little carrots in. Ooh, carrots.
So what are you making again?
I'm making carrot soup.
Carrot soup for one
For
in a
one.
microwave.
In the microwave.
Okay.
Boop.
This is the short one too. You feed. Don't let him in. He's gonna get in there, gonna freak out.
What's that?
Probably just the creak of the deck. Sub-zero.
I don't want to burn myself. So here I go.
He was only in there for 8 minutes.
I was only in there for 8 minutes. Smushy, as you would think. I don't know how to listen to emotions all day.
But I didn't want to have.
Alright,
The matching bowl. The bouillon cube, I think, may have done that. But honestly, you could probably put this with something sweet, like a pork or something. It would be pretty good.
flavor was okay. I'm not a huge fan of carrots, and I think the salt and bouillon together is probably a little much. So if you're using bouillon, I'd say don't salt till after you eat it. But it's not bad. Tastes better than it looks.
No.